There's a difference between vandalism from a passerby and vandalism from a guest. So let's take a quick look at a video and then we'll dive into the details.
It was like, I don't know, it looked like a tornado went in there. The kitchen.
This lady's Airbnb got completely trashed. As a lawyer and an Airbnb owner, here's my advice. This lady has two avenues for legal recourse to deal with this problem. The first thing she needs to do is document it. The next thing she needs to do is report this to Airbnb and provide them with the documentation that she has gathered. The next thing she needs to do is criminal, and she needs to file a police report with the police department. The next thing after that is contact her insurance company and make an insurance claim for any damage to the property.
I would actually argue the first thing this person needs to do is contact their insurance company once they notice the vandalism. However, it's probably going to be a disappointing conversation because you have to understand when you entrust your property to someone else, when you give them the key code or the keys to your property and they then damage that property, there's no coverage for criminal acts committed by that person. So again, you entrusted your property to someone, they committed a crime. There's no coverage. So what you need to do is you need to find a specialized insurance policy specifically tailored to short-term rentals or Airbnb properties, one in which has no sublimit or no limit on vandalism from a guest. Otherwise, there's simply no protection from an insurance provider.